How to fix smart lock is not working in Huawei mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, open settings and scroll down and click on system and updates. And then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. Now go back and click on reset and then click on reset all settings. And again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.